Today I'm in the Marais in Paris, and we're going to check out a museum which proves that it's a good idea to leave room in your itinerary for surprises. I found this on my way to the National Archives, and if you love hunting, nature, or vintage weapons of any kind, I might have a new museum for you to add to your itinerary. Alright, you guys, we just discovered a museum that I didn't even know was going to be on my way. This is the Museum of the Hunt and Nature. Let's go check it out. This unique little museum was opened in 1967 by a couple of avid hunter and conservationists, Francois and Jacqueline Sommet, and the collection is partly made up of hunting objects from their nearly 3,000 piece original collection. And Smithsonian Magazine calls this quirky museum one of the most rewarding and inventive in all of Paris. It's very dark in here, so you probably can't see any of this. All kinds of sciencey things. This would be a fun one to bring kids to. The collection here is housed inside of two historic mansions. One of them is the only private mansion designed in the 1600s by the architect Francois Mansart that still exists. So beautiful old mansions to walk through as well, and lots of just gorgeous pieces of art. So there's a wide range of beautiful old art, hunting memorabilia, and then some really cool interactive things that you'll find along the way as well. This museum would be great for anyone, especially if you have kids and you're coming. I didn't see it in here, but there is an animatronic boar's head that speaks French to the visitors. And there are lots of little binocular things where you can look in and they can see wildlife, little videos, lots of interactive things for kids. There are also themed rooms throughout here, so make sure you don't miss them. We have the Hall of Trophies here, but also a whole room full of old weapons. And I was actually really surprised at what a collection of weapons are in this room. Wait until you see what they have along this wall here. This whole room is lined with beautiful weapons. This first cabinet has some American hunting rifles from the 1800s, and this one on the end, this gorgeous thing, is from India in the 1700s or 1600s, but it is a beautiful piece. And here we have a pictorial walkthrough of all the steps that they would take to create taxidermy. There's also a rifle in here that was owned by Napoleon I, but I don't think I marked which one it was. If you're coming, don't worry about getting tickets online. I will link the website in the description, but I just walked in and paid like 11 euros to get in, and there was really not many people here. These are beautiful. These are from the 17 and 1800s. Look at this beautiful inlaid gun. Wow. Goodness. This whole cabinet is guns, hunting guns owned by the Emperor Napoleon III, and they're from Germany and Poland. Wow. Some really interesting pieces. Revolver style rifle. Not sure what that is. Chime in if you recognize what these are. And a whole big cabinet, so definitely worth a stop if you love hunting. This is a museum to come and see. If you have a rainy afternoon to spend in Paris and you love hunting, definitely come check this one out. And if you were going to go even see more of this kind of stuff, not the animals, but the hunting and weapons, you should go to the Military Museum, which is an amazing museum full of old weapons. So this could be a quieter place to come for the same sort of thing, but amazing collection. The museum here is actually really easy to find too. If you're walking up from the river through the Marais on Rue des Archives, it's just past the National Archives, which is where I went right after this. Don't forget to check out this last thing, which is a fully feathered, rainbow book-filled, mirror-lined rooster hut. No idea what the purpose of it is, but it's just super cute. Love this. So if you're in the Marais with an hour to kill, check out this quirky little museum. It's easy to find and very interesting. Thanks for coming along. We'll see you in the next video.